Hi Kurt, this is Brian of BLP.
Hello po.
Okay, just for the viewers, just mention your complete name, age, and the city that you're representing.
Hello everyone. My name is Kurt Ilagosario, 26, from Zamboanga.
From Zamboanga City. So you flew in from Zamboanga ba or you're just representing
Since birth
the
Manila
city?
po ako.
Manila. Okay, and anong main reason mo for joining Misters of Filipinas or for screening Misters of Filipinas?
Actually, napilitan lang po sumali ng handler ko eh.
So sino pumilit sa'yo na sumali for
Jun Laksa.
I'm sorry?
Jun Laksa.
Alright. So isa ka sa mga na-discover ni Sir Jun?
Hindi naman po.
Okay. And you have a great body. You have
Thank
great
you po.
physique. Halatang halata. Gaano ka katagal nagsispend ng pagbabodybuild sa gym?
Siguro mga 2 hours or 3 hours. Depende sa program.
Okay. And ilang days yan per week?
7 times a day.
7 times a day ka nag-gym. Okay. And then, meron bang special diet?
Meron naman.
Okay, and of the competition sa different segments of the competition, saan ka mas comfortable or saan sa tingin mo yung strength mo? You have the Q&A, tapos the formal, and then the swimwear.
Swimmer, formal siguro.
Swimwear and formal. Do you have a team na tinutulungan ka for Q&A, pasarela?
Actually, wala eh. Pero sariling sikap.
Sariling sikap lang. Alright, okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope you make it as one of the official candidates. Later malalaman natin.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.